Hey, what's up guys, my name is Andrew and I'm from Options Army and welcome back guys to my channel. So this guys is my latest video update regarding Maximus-CryptoBot, this trading software right here. And due to your request guys, I'm here again to do yet another live trading session. So first things first guys, if you are new to my channel, I would highly recommend you to please click on that subscribe button so that you will be up to date with all my upcoming news releases. You know guys that I have been trading, guys that I have been, I do expose scam systems, scam services, and scam money making schemes and scam brokers. But when there is something legitimate and something that's actually generating profit, I'm here guys to test those softwares out. The Maximus-CryptoBot guys, as you know, is this trading software right here, which is one of the most accurate trading softwares when it comes to traditional currency pairs as well as cryptocurrency pairs. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do today, as you can see, I have no open positions for today. I am going to place, I'm going to randomly place the trades from Maximus-CryptoBot onto my signed broker, and we're gonna do a live trading session, and we're gonna see what results we will get. So yeah guys, so as you know, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's get started. So first things first guys, before each trading session, you know what we do? We check our economic calendar. So as you know guys, that Maximus-CryptoBot is completely for free, secure free registrations link is below the video in the descriptions box. Click on that link, check it out. So the software is completely for free, although you will be required to register with your assigned broker. My assigned broker, when I registered, as you remember, is this one right here, Traded Online. You can see this label right here, this Traded Online broker, which is this broker right here, which is synchronized to my Maximus-CryptoBot. So whenever I key in the investment amount and click on trade button, that trade automatically is going to be placed on my Traded Online broker, automatically. So today we are going to use this automatic trading mode, and we're gonna see how much profits can we generate, after placing, let's say, 6, 7, or 8 trades. So yeah, so before, as you know, there are a couple of things you need to remember. Before we place any trades, make sure that you go to investing.com, click on news, click on economic calendar, and make sure guys that you check your economic calendar and make sure that there are no 3 bull upcoming news, during your trading session. Again, I want to thank you, those subscribers who keep emailing your results. We get a lot of subscribers who are emailing us their daily results, daily performance results. People are able to, overall and in general, people are able to generate between 80 and 90%. Some of the more experienced traders are even able to achieve 90, 95 to up to 96% ITM winning ratio, across all of the CFD and binary trades, digital options, sorry. And yeah, that's really great to see, So I would also encourage, I would encourage more and more subscribers to please email us your results, your performance, because I want to showcase those results as well at some stage in my written reviews as well. Because I do written performance reviews as well. So also please make sure you're subscribed to my blog, which is binaryoptionsarmy.com. Yeah, enough about that. Also, when taking a look at the cryptocurrency market, I would also encourage you to also check coinmarketcap.com, which is this website right here, which actually represents and presents and shows us all of the current activity when it comes to all of the cryptocurrencies available, around the globe. So there are 1,633 cryptocurrencies, although Maximus-CryptoBot will only show the signals for the strongest cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Monero, Neo, and so on and so forward. But as we can see, guys, that just now, Bitcoin has recovered. Let's refresh it. Bitcoin has recovered, so Bitcoin has gained over 1%. Over 1% in the last 24 hours, which is great, which means that if Bitcoin is recovering, it means that all other cryptocurrencies are recovering as well, and that's really great to see. We can see really cheap cryptocurrencies at the moment. So Ripple is at 61 cents, Cardano at 21. It was 18 cents yesterday. Cardano, that'll be great call trades and great buy opportunities for Cardano. Yeah. Anyway, so let's start trading. Okay, let's start placing those trades. So USD JPY, what we see is call trade. So what we're gonna do, I am going to invest, I'm going to invest 200 euro for each trade. So okay, my broker logged me out. So I'm gonna invest 200 euro for each trade. So I'm gonna place about, let's say 6 or 7 trades. Okay. So okay, so first trade, guys, USD JPY call trade. Just before we place a USD JPY call trade, let's take a look at the charts here. So USD JPY, this is 5-minute chart, and what we see here for momentum is that I will place trades, and when I place trades on my whenever I place this trade, it will be placed automatically on my broker, and then after an hour or so, in 45 minutes up to an hour, I'm gonna close those trades. So I'm gonna take a look at the 5-minute charts, guys. So what we see now, we can see that there was a resistance right here which has been broken because the new, let me see, did the new candle open before? Or yeah, the new candle, guys, they are opened above our resistance level, so that's our support now. So okay, that'll be nice call trade for sure. So I'm going to invest 300 euro, guys. 300 euro for this call trade. So let's do it. So USDJPY 300. So let's click on trade. Okay, nice. Next one, ETH against USD. ETH against USD. But that's, guys, for tomorrow. So we can avoid this trade. Okay. Next one, Dash against USD. Make sure, guys, that you only place trades that are for today. So Dash against USD, and let's click on chart. Let's see what's the Dash. Dash against USD. What is that? That one is a put trade. Okay. Is it a great put trade? Oh yeah, small. Oh yeah. Well, I would make put trade around this area. As you can see, there was a breakthrough, and the price is touching the support resistance again. So I would place trade in this area. The ideal trade would be here at 317. Anyway, so I'm gonna place it anyway because there's really low volatility going on here. See, there's a breakthrough right here, and the price is rising, and price is touching again or the previous resistance, right, which is this candle right here, guys, and now it's touching the same level again. So okay, yeah, so Dash against USD, let's click on trade. So okay, so let's see what we have. So we have a large number of signals, guys. Okay, so should I mix them up, or should I just go by from the top to the bottom? Because you see, these signals are being refreshed every 10-15 minutes, depending on market volatility. Anyway, so let's go from the top to the bottom then. Okay, so next one, USD CAD. Let's check the chart. USD CAD. So USD CAD, what we see here is oh, that'll be nice call trade, I would say here. What is this on here? Call trade. Okay, yeah, I see why call trade, because now it's touching the support, guys. Really nice support. So yeah, see this support. The price touched this level here, and here, and now it's touching the same level again. So this is our really strong support. So that's call trade. Okay, let's do the call trade. Nice. So next one, Euro JPY, that's for 31st. Let's avoid this. LTC USD. Okay, let's see. LTC USD. What we see here, here it's touching. Here it looks like we missed this call trade by a little bit, so the price is going to go up to this level and then it's going to reverse. But let's see. Call trade. Okay, let's. This will be a tricky trade, okay? So if you are a newbie, I would advise you to avoid this trade because it's touching. It's gonna go above this level, so it's gonna go about 120.84, and then it's gonna go back down. But Signals is expecting that it will be a call trade. So let's go. This will be kind of 50-50, So But yeah, no, it could go up. You know, it's gonna reverse now a little bit, but in 1 hour's time, I expect price to hit this level again, and then it's gonna bounce back up. So this from the 120.44 up to 120.80. This level, it's our support and resistance corridor. So let's place it. Okay, so LTC USD 300. Let's click on trade. Okay, so far we placed 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Let's place one more, guys. Okay, so USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, and what do we see? Okay, so this was our resistance. This is our resistance, okay, and the price went down and it's touching our support again, but it's a little bit too late. The price is gonna bounce about this level and then it's gonna go back down, you know. So put trade. Yeah, let's make a put trade. Okay, so 300 put trade. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. So I invested just I invested 300 by 5 trades. So that's pretty high investment already. So 1500 has been invested, guys. So okay, let's wait for these trades, guys. Okay, let's wait for these trades. So okay, guys, so we have positions placed. Let's just double check. We have more signals, but I think so we have 5 so far. So yeah, so let's wait for these signals to expire, to generate profit, and then let's gonna take a look at the results. Okay, so we have so here, yes, we have 5 trades placed. I'm gonna give it about an hour or so, and then I'm gonna close those trades. You know, as I remember, guys, it's best. You know, I'm not gonna wait for those trades to generate my take profit level, you know, which is 100, which would be 600 euro. I'm going to wait at least those trades to generate at least 450 euro, and then I'm going to close those trades manually, you know, because that's the best trading practice, you know, in terms of the risk management. Because, you know, if you're gonna wait too long for that trade, it could go opposite way. For example, you could wait for a trade to hit your to hit your the highest rate. For example, you're waiting for trade to hit your take profit level. But you need to check the charts, guys. Maybe your take profit level is above the actual resistance level for that currency pair. Which means that it's very unrealistic that that signal is going to hit your take profit level. That's why it's best if you close those trades manually by yourself whenever it generates at least 50% of the return, you know, from your investment. So 50% would be 300 euro investment for the trade. If I see that trade making at least 450 euro already, then I'm gonna close that trade, you know. Anyway, guys, I'll be back in a short while, and then we're gonna take a look at the results. Okay. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back, and the trades have been closed finally. So let's take a look at this. So we placed 5 trades, guys, from Maximus-CryptoBot trading software. 5 trades were placed, and let's take a look at the trades, guys. Okay. So as I told you guys, I'm not waiting for those trades to hit my take profit levels. So I closed them manually by myself. So these are my returns, guys, so far. So as we can see, the biggest return was from USD CAD. Let's take a look at, first of all, the balance now is 5,885.21, and let's just double check. Let's calculate what's our profits, guys. Okay, so 468.92 plus 459.13. You see, all of these have been closed manually, you know. That's why we get different payouts, you know, depending on what price was the asset at when I closed those trades. 67 plus, so 967 plus 500.25. So these were our today's payout. So 2,486.70 minus 1,500, which was our investment. So That leads us at 986.70. It's okay, again below 1000. So anyway, so I see, but I'm trading safely, you know. I'm closing all of these trades. I'm closing all of these trades whenever I see at least 50% return. I hope, guys, this makes sense, because I know a lot of you are still confused about these CFD type trades. You know, people are wondering what is this take profit level should be. What is the risk level that we should engage with, and also what's the stop loss we should engage with. But guys, I'm telling you, usually set your take profit at 50% and stop loss at 50% as well. That's the best, you know. Or you can also set your stop loss at lower levels, like I did today, for example. If my trades, for example, if my trade reached my 125 euro, for example, as you can see, my trade will close automatically, you know. So I would lose, I would only get back 125, so I would lose 165. Real, is it? Sorry, 175 I would lose, and I would get back 125 in case if the trade went opposite direction, you know. Which means I would not lose all of the 300 euro, I would only lose 125 euro, you know. Yeah, guys, so that's okay, my broker is logging me out again. Anyway, so these are my trades. So let's see what was it. Okay, so 986.70. So my current balance is 5,885.21. So nice profits we generated within an hour. So I closed those trades within an hour. I'm pretty happy because, well, which job will give you $986.70 in an hour? Show me any job around the world. Which job will give you such profits? I know, guys. I see the profits were generated because I invested pretty heavy. I invested 300 euro. As you remember, I invested 300 euro for 5 trades, which is 1,500 euro. And that's pretty high investment value, you know, when you take into consideration if you're only starting with 250 euro, then obviously I do not recommend you to invest 250 euro for one trade. Forget about that, you know, because there will be always some bad trades, you know. Not every trade you place will generate you profits. You will also get some losing trades, you know, which will reach your stop loss level, which means you will only get your stop loss level money back, and all of the other money will be lost. So make sure, guys, that you trade as minimum at the beginning. So if you are starting with 250 euro, make sure that you invest 25 euro per trade, you know. Simply key in 25 euro per trade and then click on the trade button. I'm not gonna do it right now because I already placed 5 trades, and you know, and I haven't checked XMR against euro. Yeah, so this is guys are the automated signals that you can engage with, and you can generate profits from home. You can use your mobile phone, your laptop, your tablet, because Maximus-CryptoBot does not require any installations at all. It's completely web-based. So simply log in and place those trades, or you can also place these trades on any other broker if you want, you know, like 24 options, IQ options, you know. You can place those trades on any other broker as long as you have those assets to trade with. Yeah, guys, thanks guys for watching this video. We generated some nice profits. If you're interested in Maximus-CryptoBot, please check the secure registrations link below the video in the description box. Check that link out if you're interested. If you have any questions, any issues, any problems, please email me at binaryoptionsarmy@gmail.com. All the emails will be answered as usual. Trade safely, trade responsibly. I'm gonna continue trading. I'm just gonna wait for. I'm gonna just look for some good trades. EuroCAD. Yeah, guys. So trade safely, trade responsibly, and see you guys again next time. Bye.